Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less, and 90 gasoline is down $2.35. Automotive diesel is costing $2.14 less, and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decrease by $1.93. The price of kerosene is down $1.44. Propane is up $1.04, and butane will increase by 50 cents. Bitcoin is now an investable asset class. That's according to international investment banks like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan. But local company Victoria Mutual Investment Limited is still urging caution. Andrew Laidley explains.
As digital currencies like Bitcoin get more popular, investors are buying into the value proposition that a cryptocurrency asset class could be worthwhile. But after examining the landscape, Victoria Mutual Investment CEO Resworth Burchinson is urging local investors to exercise caution.
There is work to be done to identify what percentage of the persons who trade on the JC are interested in crypto, that's one, and their appetite for crypto. Nonetheless, we believe that it's an emerging asset class. And then if you've been following developments in the crypto space for the past few weeks, it's been very volatile.
He says there's still a lot to learn about cryptocurrency as an asset class and how it performs over time.
A large percentage of our investor class, they're still apprehensive to trade Jamaican equities, where there's an identified valuation methodology, as compared to crypto, which the Nobel Prize for valuing crypto is yet to be handed out. But it's an emerging space. You've been hearing talk about its new digital gold. Our responsibility is to introduce it and to see where it goes. We believe certainly it has legs.
Mr. Burchinson says his company will delay any active involvement in that asset class until next year.
For 2021, we have identified a number of strategic imperatives to advance the business. I may even say close some gaps. Lot to do with digitalization, automation, to address our customers. And our focus is on that for 2021. As we go into strategic planning for 2022 onwards, we certainly are going to distill the BOJ digital currency somewhere.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $149.73. The Canadian dollar is going for $125.09. The pound closed at $214.10. While the euro is being sold for $185.86. The JC index lost 1,934 points today, while the junior market index gained 26 points. Among the winners were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, SSL Venture Capital, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, GMMB Group 7.5%, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. On the losing side, Cayley Group, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Main Event, Stationery and Office Supplies, and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.